Hello everyone, you already got the idea of today's video topic. So yes, today I'm going to do a simple photo editing work using PowerPoint. We can do this photo editing with some other software also, but it's also possible in PowerPoint. So here is my 2 slides ready. Basically, I'll edit the first picture. I'll remove its background and will paste it to the second picture. One thing to be noted that this background editing option is not available in version 2007. Another higher version it is available. Mine is 2019. So first we need to go to the format, then remove background option. This pink or purple color, whatever it's showing, is the background that will be removed, suggested by PowerPoint. If I select OK, then here is the result. So again I will select. Then you can see these 3 options, some options, 4 options. From this option you can manually correct it. So I will select the first option and will mark the part that I want to keep. I will try to keep some extra portion. And here is the preview, you can see it from here. So it's pretty much good. I will select the second option. I will now mark the portion that I want to remove. Now select Keep Changes. So here is my picture. It's almost done. Now I will soften the edges. See how it works. You can adjust other things from here. Now I will copy this picture and paste it to the second picture. Here you can adjust your picture as per your requirement. Now I'll soften the edges a little bit to patch this two picture nicely. Here you will find other editing options. You can adjust the color or the view. Here is some options, you can try it. So this is pretty much good. Here is my final view. Hope you like it. Thank you.